$1 trillion. That's the milestone that Micron Technology just crossed, and Wall Street is still calling it a buy. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about Micron, the news driving the historic rally, what the charts are telling us, and whether this move has any gas left in the tank. So pay attention, because this one is absolutely worth your full attention. Alright, so first of all, let's begin with the news, because there's a lot happening with Micron right now. First of all, Micron joined the $1 trillion club as of May 26. Now, that's the first time in the company's history, and to put that into perspective, Micron just replaced Walmart in the $1 trillion club. We're talking about a company that doubled its market cap in just 48 days. Number two, we also have to factor in that the reason behind this explosion in the stock is simple: artificial intelligence. Micron makes DRAM, LPDDR, high bandwidth memory or HBM, and NAND flash storage. These are exactly the chips that AI data centers and AI accelerated hardware cannot live without. As every major tech company races to build out infrastructure, Micron sits at the center of the supply chain, and demand is outpacing supply, and that dynamic is creating massive pricing power for Micron. Overall, Micron is riding the most powerful secular tailwind in the semiconductor industry, AI memory demand, and it is doing so from a position of financial strength, and the street loves it. The numbers support it, and now let's look at the charts to assess the price targets. So now that we are here on this Micron daily chart, let's begin by assessing the longer term picture of this chart. So looking towards the weekly, we can see that the stock is well above the 9 EMA, which is this overall blue dotted line that you see on my screen. We are not too far away from it. We're only around 39% from it. The one that really kind of worries me on Micron is going to be the 50 EMA here, which is this orange dotted line that you see here on my screen, because we are pretty much more than 156% away from that overall EMA. And the last time that we touched it and found support here was way back in August of 2025. So really, we are a little bit overextended, and that can be a little bit of a warning sign, but we do have to factor in that there is a lot of bullishness being priced into the stock, and the demand for AI is simply astonishing. Now, going back towards the daily chart, we did get a buy signal here, like I said, using our custom indicator here, which was, before the big exponential move here. We got this signal back in April, and ever since that signal, for our Patreon members that entered when we entered, we are approximately up around 104%, which is not bad here. Considering the returns here on this name has been pretty phenomenal and astonishing. Now, you may be asking yourself, well, what are all these lines here on your chart? Well, simply, if the 9 EMA, like I said, is our overall blue dotted lines are 9, this orange is our 50, and then these other VWAPs here are going to be anchored from important areas of supply and demand shifts or imbalances, right? So, first of all, we will have this first anchored VWAP, which was the prior VWAP from the resistance, right? So we saw a sell-off, and it's important to mark that exact level. And it's funny to see how it's forming confluence here a little bit with the 9 EMA. So that would be a very important area of support later on if the stock does decide to pull back here towards 793. We never know, it may pull back, right? Second is going to be this handoff anchored VWAP here that we plotted here on May 1st, because this was the first touch of the overall 9 EMA, and we simply found a lot of support, a lot of buying pressure from that point, right? We went from 535 all the way to 729 in less than 7 days, which is simply phenomenal. And then the other anchored VWAP is anchored exactly where we had that signal here with our custom indicator, which is completely accessible to our Patreon members, link in the description here. But just continuing on the analysis, we did see this short-term pullback. We saw buyers, and now we're at this point. Now you guys may be asking yourself, well, now what? Well, I see Micron achieving a price target of $1,500. Now you may be asking yourself, well, why do you see that level, right? Isn't it overextended? Well, simply no, because if we use the Fibonacci retracements from this point all the way towards a recent pullback, we see that the max area point is going to be here at $1,361, which is closely in line around this overall range. And that would be the next, price target general zone. Exactly right there. First of all, we have achieved the 161% retracement, so I would expect a short-term pullback just some profit taking. I'm not saying that Micron is going to start selling off, but we might see something like this, and then that explosiveness continuation, like so, just how we saw in prior sessions like this, right? Where we pulled back, this would be, this phase exactly here. This phase would be mirroring this phase right here, the pullback phase, before we see an upward momentum, right? The stock obviously can't keep going. So yes, overall, I do maintain my price target on Micron of $1,500. And the main reason for that is because the earnings have simply grown on an outstanding level here, more of a, logarithmic scale here, simply astonishing exponentially. Just looking at the quarterly, look at the net margins here. I mean, in Q2 of 2025, we were simply at 19% net margins, and now the company is seeing 57% net margins. They're keeping more and more money. They're, becoming a little bit more of a operational leverage company. And simply the performance has been astonishing, right? Past year, 834%, year to date, 200%. And technicals are still indicating a strong buy. So I will reiterate, I do agree with the price hike here of UBS, and I will sustain my price target here of $1,500 on Micron. So that's the bigger picture on Micron Technology. The fundamentals are incredibly strong, backed by the AI boom and massive growth. But after an 857% return in 1 year, the stock is clearly extended. Now, that's it for today's breakdown. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment sections below if whether you're buying Micron, waiting for a dip, or taking profits here.